Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit photos on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. If you want to make some changes to your photos, then you need to open the Photos app. Now over here in the library you want to choose the photo that you want to edit. And now in order to start editing, you need to press this button over here at the bottom of your screen with 3 lines. And after that you should be able to start configuring your photo. You can choose different color filter. We have the live preview, so if the photo is live then you can see the preview. You can actually change it, the frame. You can choose the frame from the live photo. You can also adjust it by using some additional things like increasing or decreasing the exposure. You have highlights, shadow, and so on and so forth. You can change the brightness and much more. As you can see, the list of options is quite huge. And of course, at the top over here, you also have this markup. However, in this case, if you want to use markup, then you will turn off the live photo mode. So I'm going to press OK. And over here, you can choose one of the pens in order to start drawing something. And also we have crop, where we can, for instance, flip our photo. We can rotate it. And we have a bunch of different options over here as well. We can also change the aspect ratio, so we can switch it to wallpaper or choose a specific aspect ratio over here. And once you are done with the changes, you can press done in the top right corner. You can also press reset in order to revert all changes or cancel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.